Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma and the book which we are doing Maths of Nursery. Dear students, today we are going to learn about shapes. Let's say together shapes. Look here, this is circle shape. A circle is round, round, round. This one is ball. A ball is circle. A watermelon is circle. Very good. Dear students, now look at this. A square. A square shapes. A square shapes has 4 equal sides. Say with me, square. This is, it has 4 equal sides. The TV is square. And the last one is window. And the window is square. Wonderful. Students, next is a triangle shape. A triangle has 3 sides. Say with me, triangle. The tent is triangle. Second one is triangle. And the last one is the road sign. The road sign is triangle. It has 3 sides. Good job, kids. Let's repeat with me. Circle, round shape, square, 4 equal sides, triangle, 3 sides. Well done. You are shape champions.